I'm Lindsay Barton Barrett, and we're here at 205 Clinton Street in the heart of Cobble Hill, one of Brooklyn's best neighborhoods. This house is incredible. It is the best of innovative modern design and historic architectural detail. There is so much to see. Let's go inside. The minute you step in, you will be in awe of the scale, light, and refinement. This space is dedicated to entertaining. You have a lovely living room, dining area, flowing down into this exquisite, dramatic kitchen. This stylishly appointed living room is filled with vintage pieces. You have exquisite stained glass, this dramatic pyramir, and a marble mantle. And through these double height windows, you have a view to the tree-lined street outside. Creating a space like this is quite an accomplishment. This atrium is 30 feet tall floor to ceiling. Every great party ends in the kitchen. And this one was designed with that in mind. It's all centered around this oversized island with beautiful Calacatta gold marble countertops, custom walnut cabinetry, beautiful breakfast nook, and seating for everybody. Everything you can imagine in your dream kitchen is right here. And now, let me show you something that's beyond your imagination. What's the best summer party? It's a barbecue in your own private backyard. And this one has everything you could want. A built-in grill, this beautiful custom pergola, and a seating area big enough for all your friends. Who wants to see more of this beautiful house? Heading downstairs, you really appreciate the unique layout of this home. This level includes lovely seating area and a spacious home office, whereas the lowest level is configured as a great room. This room has 15-foot ceilings and plenty of space for your biggest, comfiest couch and beautiful work of art. And these oversized glass doors fill this room with light. And standing here, you can really appreciate the integration of the tiered living spaces in this home. On the second floor is this dramatic primary bedroom. It has its own private terrace and the most beautiful, well-appointed bathroom. The bedroom itself is pin-drop quiet. It's so elegant with beautiful custom moldings and flooded with light overlooking the garden outside. On the fourth floor, there are 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 beautiful bathrooms. But what I'm going to show you next is probably my favorite space in this house. Welcome to your very own clubhouse, where yet again, you see what this home is all about. This space is configured as a sitting room and a dining room. You have incredible light from this huge skylight, and you have doors that open up more than 12 feet, creating complete integration between the indoor and out. And the terrace up front, wait, let me just show it to you. I love this space. You can sit outside and relax in front of the fire, or head upstairs for some of the best views in town. This house is so unique. It combines historic charm and modern architectural design. And if you liked what you saw, maybe you should consider taking a look in person.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.